matinding cravings towards the end of the day, here's how you can manage it. Number one, start your day with sugar-stabilizing meals. Ano ibig sabihin nito? Do not start your day with starchy food like bread, pasta, or noodles, no? Or do not skip meals, kundi make sure na umaga pa lang, stable ang iyong sugar with savory or high fiber complex carbohydrates and protein na umagahan. Second, di ba kailangan natin kumain 3 times a day? Ganun din sa pagsusupplement dahil hindi lahat ng meals natin ay complete balanced nutrition. So para assured yung katawan natin na na-handle yung stress, at the same time, well-nourished tayo, better supplement breakfast, lunch, and dinner. Bakit? Kasi depleted ang sustansya natin pag tayo ay stress, and pag nangyari ito, it can cause cravings. So alam mo na ha, pag may cravings, merong kulang sa sustansya. So supplement throughout the day will help manage that. And number 3, avoid snacking on starchy or sweet na pagkain sa hapon, lalo na. Iwasan na natin yung mga banana Q, mga biscuit, crackers, pandesal sa hapon. Instead, stick to protein or high fiber na mga snacks natin because this will help you lessen cravings pagdating ng gabi. Are you looking for a wellness coach that will guide you how to manage your weight pero nakakain ka 3 to 5 times a day na walang gutom? DM me for free consultation.